Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to use screen mirroring on iPhone. For example, first of all, we will tell you what is screen mirroring. Screen mirroring is basically a facility which provides you to cast your iPhone, iPad screen to your smart TV. So there are many methods to use a screen mirroring on your iPhone. So if you have iPhone TV or iTV or anything Apple TV, then you can simply connect your iPhone and Apple devices to that TV, and after that you can simply enjoy that. So here is option available, which means you can simply use that app and connect to your Apple TV, and after that you can use screen mirroring. But if you do not have Apple TV or anything like that, then you can also do the screen mirroring by using the third-party application. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply search in the App Store for the screen mirroring, and after that you have to simply check which of the app best suits your app, your TV. So first you have internet connection, so that you can connect internet with iPhone and your TV with the same Wi-Fi or internet connection. After that, you can simply cast your screen, iPhone screen to your TV like they are showing you in their details. So for this, what you have to do, you have to simply download and install that TV, and after that you have to simply connect your TV to that app also. After that, you have to install that app on your TV, and after that you have to simply connect your TV by using that app, and your screen will be casted to that TV without any problem. So that is about the screen mirroring on iPhone. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.